How to use AutoCut on CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to use AutoCut feature on your CapCut, which basically allows users to edit their particular video automatically without having to edit manually. So first thing first, is head over to your CapCut application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once inside here, you can just tap on this AutoCut feature, as you can see, which is the new AI feature. So which lets you basically AutoCut any of your particular videos. So let me just quickly select any one of these random video over here and simply click on next, and AI will start processing your content and it will start compiling your footage as well with a particular audio. So make sure you have selected the correct video. So just wait for a few seconds and finally your video will be automatically edited just like this using the AutoCut feature without you having to edit it manually. So if you don't like it, you can always try different feature or different filter over here by simply selecting any one of these options over here. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.